Hello! So today I wanted to show you how to set up a household sewing machine. Mine is a Brother LS2725, but it's quite similar to other household machines. Right, so once you've plugged it in on the side, you can switch it on. You got your foot pedal down here. Right, so get your little spool. That's your spool. If anything's not clear, by the way, please do leave a comment or your question. So what you can do is thread your thread through the tiny little hole in your spool, and then you put it on. Sorry, try and make it as clear as possible. On there, a little bit overhanging. It turns clockwise, so try and turn some on there already. Then there is a diagram on the top as well. You go round this little knob, round the little knob, zoom you out a little bit, around there, and your thread should actually be, oh, this is not the best thread, face going round that way, then it goes round and it's going to spoon it on there. Then you flick it across and you press your pedal. That will wind your spool for you. Right, I'm just going to do a little bit. There we go. A little bit. Right, the way we get this in, so pull this off, you open the spool case, already got one in there, and basically put it in there, pull the thread through the tiny little opening, so it comes through there. Does that look right? Can you see that? Pull out a bit more so that the needle can catch the thread. Then we hold it like that, this pointy bit upwards, and we fix it in there. You can let go. Okay, close that, put that back on. Now, sew the thread. You go underneath, so the thread comes, I don't know if you can see, underneath this thing, over, pull it down, under here, and then there's a little hook here. Turn the knob towards you, or is it away? Sorry. You can see the hook. See the hook there? And that will catch the thread. Then there's one little hook here near the needle. And there you go. Some more modern machines have a automatic threader. They're quite handy, but if you haven't, put the thread in front to back. There we go. Right, hold on to your thread. This is how we get the spool thread to come up, and turn the knob. Oh, didn't work. Put it on a straight stitch. Right, what I've not done is probably left enough thread to catch it. Holding my thread. Oh, why is it not doing it? That's annoying. Right. So sorry about this. See, you might think it's you being a beginner, but I think I was using the wrong spool case. Right, that's gone in. Let's try again. It's not catching it. Oh my god, you're driving me mad. Right, I was pulling the knob the wrong way. Dodo. Right, turn the knob towards you and it's hooked the thread. Then pull that up. There you go, it's looped the thread out. Then you can start to sew. This is the back tack, so that will take, when you're sewing you can press that, hold it down and it will go backwards. Release it, just to, when you finish sewing it leaves a sort of knot at the end. Well, it doesn't leave a knot, it just secures the end. Right, and then this one's got all the stitches, so zigzag, this is very basic. Stitches further apart, and stitching for elastic. Well, I hope that was helpful, and I'm going to do more tutorials on sewing and making different items. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you soon. Bye, thanks.